What's up guys, welcome to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be going over our US General Series 3 22-inch end locker. The locker itself is a pretty straightforward install, so let's get into the features. So the new end lockers features a reinforced mounting lip. Features one drawer, one fixed shelf, and 3 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can support up to 35 pounds. The rolling drawer can support up to 120 pounds. So even though they say this whole system can support 720 pounds, if you get 35 pounds per shelf plus the 120 for the drawer, that only puts you up to 260. Now, I think this thing is built pretty well, so I think as long as you're not overloading it too bad, you should be just fine, but I keep that in mind. Just note that if you don't have your roll cabinet fully loaded, they only want you putting about 180 in here. Now the drawer does come with a pre-cut liner. I would have liked to see them supply that for the shelves for us, but they weren't too bad to cut myself. If you get the 22-inch roll that they have inside the store, all you got to do is cut them to length and they slide right in. The cabinet does have ventilation, so if you want to put something like a refrigerator or anything that's going to generate any significant kind of heat. There is also an integrated power port. Now we get the same kind of tough powder coated finish that matches the design of the base cabinet. And the drawer slides are full extension. We get a reinforced door that features 2-point locking from a single locking point. The entire system is backwards compatible with Series 2 down to a 72-inch cabinet. So one thing I want to point out, in the stores these things are usually just loosely hanging on there and the gap looks really kind of odd, but once you get this thing installed, there are bolting points on the top of the cabinet here and down below that kind of give this thing a really nice uniform gap. So that worked out pretty well. So far I'm pretty happy with the purchase of my new 22-inch end locker. I'm very excited to start loading it up, see how much stuff I can get off my shelves over there. Hopefully on the next one we'll be getting the upper chest for the Toolbox, but my videos are not sponsored, so I'll have to wait till I save up my pennies. Anyway, if you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.